Welcome students. In this video, I'll take up a topic of class 10, that is arithmetic progression. Let us understand what is arithmetic progression. Consider a series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Each number is increasing, each succeeding number is 2 more than the preceding one. That means the difference here is 2. This is an increasing AP. Consider another series 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4. Each term is decreasing by 2. So here the common difference will be minus 2. That means what am I doing? Second term minus first term. Second term minus the first term. That is why this difference is coming as 2 and minus 2. So this is an increasing AP. This is an example of decreasing AP. A sequence of numbers. The difference between any two consecutive numbers remains constant. If I denote the first term by A, the second term will be denoted by A plus D. And if I want the nth term, it will come out as A plus n minus 1D. See, A plus 0D, A plus 1D. When here is 1, there is 0, 2, 1. So when here is n minus 1. So this is an introduction of what is an AP. Now let us do one question to apply what we have learned just now. The question is, now look at this series, minus 3.2, minus 3, minus 2.8, minus 2.6 and so on. This is the question example. Now what you have to do, you have to tell the first term. So it is very simple. First term A is minus 3.2, finished. The second question is, what is the common difference? So what is the common difference? Second term minus the first term, right? So minus 3 plus 3.2, sign of the bigger and the difference of the 2. So this is the difference. So the terms are increasing by 0.2. As you can see, this is smaller, this is bigger. Negative numbers, no? They are getting incremented by 0.2. So this is how we calculate the first term and the common difference. Now let us take up another question. In this question I am giving you the first term is given as 10 and the common difference is given to you as 10. Now what is the question? The question is you have to tell the first 4 terms of this AP. So what are the first 4 terms of the AP? T1 is A, T2 which will be equal to 10. What is T2? A plus D, that is 10 plus 10, 20. What is the third term? A plus 2D, that means 10 plus 2 into 10, that is 30. T4, A plus 3D, that is 10 plus 3 into 10, that is 40. So like that you can find out the terms. Now the next question is, what is the general term of an AP? General term. So that we have learned this here. The nth term, this one is the general term. The general term is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. That is the general term. Now let us take one more question to apply things. We have to find an AP whose general term is 7 minus 3n. That means the nth term is 7 minus 3n. So how do we know the AP? Means you need the terms. So just put n as 1. T1 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 1. So what is that? 4. T2, that means n will take value 2. 7 minus 3 into 2, that is 1. T3, 7 minus 3 into 3, that is 7 minus 9 minus 2. So you can see it is a decreasing AP. Terms are decreasing by 3. So the series will be 4, 1, minus 2 and so on. So this is an AP which is uh, decreasing by 3 and it has a general term 7 minus 3n. So we can do one more thing in this video itself. Let us establish an expression for the sum of n terms of a AP. Sum of n terms of an AP. So sum of n terms of an AP means a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus, say, the last term will be a plus n minus 1d. See, this is sum of n terms means the first term plus the second term plus like this up till the nth term. So see, this is the nth term, a plus n minus 1d, and first term was a, second term a plus d, third term a plus 2d. Now carefully look how we can derive the expression. How many a's are there? N terms, so n a's, so na. Plus if you take d common, you are left with 1 plus 2 plus up 3 plus up till n minus 1. Now if you take the sum, you can write here n minus 1 into n by 2, like this you can write using the formula sum of the n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So replace n by n minus 1, you will get this in that expression. And for more details, okay, I'll note it down here. Sum of the n natural numbers, sum of first n natural numbers, it is given by the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So don't confuse this n with the n of this question. This is a general formula for the sum of n natural numbers. In this n I have put n minus 1 to write the sum of first n minus 1 terms. So it will change to this. N has been replaced by n minus 1 this, because this is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up till n, and here I have to take the sum of 1 to n minus 1. So on simplifying you will get this. So sum of n numbers, take n by 2 common, so you will have 2a plus n minus 1d inside, correct? Now this you can write as n by 2 into a plus n minus 1d. So this step is not clear. See, I have taken n by 2 common, so n by 2 into 2a will give me na, which is here, and remaining thing you can reconcile how it is the same. Now if you look at what we have now, it is the first term a. What is this? This is the nth term or the last term, you can say. So this is the formula for the sum of n terms of an AP, or you can say n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. We will do questions based on this in the next videos. In this I have derived the formula and how it is written, sum of n terms of an AP. So thank you very much, students. Please subscribe the channel. Please recommend to your friends so that all are benefited. Goodbye, good day, good luck. Thank you.